Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. So today, this video, we're going to talk about NFT and the NFT on the Singular. So that's a very, very cool one on Kusama. So again, if you are new to the channel, this is a channel I try to share my personal experience for the Web3 education and the investment. Feel free to subscribe if you feel this is useful. This NFT, I talked about that before. So in my previous video, so this video. So if you open that, this is the video I talk about the governance on Polkadot and Kusama and how you can participate. And in this video, I told everyone you may be able to win a cool NFT. I don't know how many of you tried that or after you watch the video. If you follow how to vote and did that, you probably will get the NFT now. So the referendum 201 and 202 voters, congratulations, you should be able to get the NFT for free. They're going to send the NFT to your account. And for the referendum 201, this is about the make the expect chaos on chain remark. So in total, there are 1,459 wallets voted. And some of them, like 727 of them, didn't meet the voting requirement because they wanted to have at least 0.8 KSM. So even you don't meet the voting requirement, it is okay. You are going to get the NFT, but most likely you will get the unreal one. So I think this is the rarest. So that's the first one, the best. And then this is the second, and this is the third. So third would be the jar. Like more people will win the shell jar. 131 of the wallets, they are lucky enough to get this shell. And then 200 will get the second one, this one. That's for 201. 202 is the community voted on whether to upgrade the Kusama runtime to version 0.9.22. And so for this one, there would be 1,448 wallets they have voted. So it is a little bit less, right? A little bit less than the 201. And the 720 of them didn't meet the voting requirement. As you notice, the minimum has been increased a little bit, 0.9. So maybe in the future it's going to keep increasing. So in order to win the rarest, the best one, you have to vote with more KSM. And so 125 of them, they actually win the Flamingo, which is this one, a pool party you probably can have. And the 191 of them win the ring. So I think this one. And the 412 would be the bull, and I think the rest of them, they all win the bull. And so congratulations if you watch my video and participate. You should get the NFT. Now I'm going to show you how you can check the NFT and some cool features I figured it out by myself. And so the Singular, if you go to the website, this is their website. You can click your space and the remark too. Now this is the one like you actually get. So there is one NFT, the shelf. So that's going to be free for the first time. So if you voted the first time, you are going to get that one for free. And the other two would be by random, I think. So you may get different kinds of NFT. And this shelf, actually you can decorate that. You can decorate the shelf with the NFT you just win. And so I will just show you how we can do that. For example, this is a very cool one, right? If you open that, they have two resources you can check. This is a smaller one, this is a bigger version. And then like you have different things you can do. Like you can check the connection. So here you can view the connection. So this is the connection, like the connection overall, like of all the items. You can see the floor price is 0.09 KSM. The top sale is 5 KSM. And you can, of course, you can check the one for sale, and you can check the price. The price may be descending, so you can check. Yeah, it's very expensive, some of them. But those are quite cool actually. They are quite cool NFT. But anyhow, Nick, this is how you can check that. Now we'll come back to here. So now, if you want to sell that, you can have the button here, needs for sale. There is a 3 dot here. If you click that, there will be the option to add to NFT. So I think this is the one you are going to use to add this NFT to another NFT. So you can select the shelf and send it to the shelf. So I haven't tried that, but I guess if you send it to this NFT, they are going to merge, right? They will merge together. So you should be careful. Don't sell your shelf, because you probably will sell all the NFT. So that's something like I feel like that's a case, but I haven't confirmed that. I don't want to try that as well. So I will now put the password, and it should be able to send my NFT. Okay, so it said like sending your NFT to the shelf. The shelf is also by me, right? So it should be okay. We will come back to check the shelf as well. So this is the first thing like you can send. And let's go back to the original place. Are we able to? Okay, so those are all the NFTs you can find. Now I need to go to my shelf, so I will just go to your space again. Nothing changed actually here, but if you go to the shelf, and so I think I just send the NFT to the shelf, right? So this shelf NFT should have more NFTs. You can go to the resource. Actually on the left there's a button, and now if you click that, this is the NFT I just sent to the shelf. So you can click that, and then now it will have the button you can equip. So you are going to equip, and as you notice here, now this has been equipped to the shelf. So if you actually notice the NFT, this NFT, they have 2 resources, right? And then the second one, like, it's actually the smaller version. So I think they are going to merge that one with the shelf. So save changes, sign. Okay, so it take a little bit time, and now this one, like the shelf, you can actually see that the new NFT has been added to the shelf. So you can do the same thing if you go to your space, right? And I have another one. This is another one, and you can just do the same thing. You can add it to the shelf, and then it's going to ask you to sign, and you are going to sign that. And then you can go there and decorate your shelf again. And so this time you are going to have 2 of them, but you have to wait it to be sended, and then you can decorate your shelf. So I think this is very cool. Like this shelf, you can add all kinds of NFT to this one, and finally you will have a cool one with all type of NFT. So where did they send my shelf? So let me open that again. Oh no, I hope it's not lost. I hope it's still there. So um you know, I can check that again. Maybe let me send it again. Hopefully it's still working. Okay, so I will wait a little bit. Okay. I still didn't see that. And so if you see the similar problem, don't be panic. I think it should be okay. It will just take some time maybe to update that. And then we can come back. Okay, so let's wait. I think it's done now. Let me refresh that to make sure that's okay, great. It has been added, as I said. Don't be panic. Equip that. Okay, so this is a very small one here. Okay, and save the change. Yeah, done. Okay, so you are going to have the shelf with two NFT. So in the future, if you have more, you can decorate that. And actually, the button here you can unequip. So if you unequip, you can take it back. And of course, you can move it. Okay, you can move the item from parent NFT to your main account, so you can list it for sale. Oh, I think this is one like you can send it back. So before you sell this shelf NFT, you need to make sure like you send those one back, move it to the root. Otherwise you are going to sell all of them. Okay, is that cool? So this is the NFT I have got. What did you got? Um, I hope you can leave comments and show me what kind of NFT you have got. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you are doing great and get the cool NFT. Bye.